everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi everyone. Wow, I'm about to make some vegetables with spaghetti and some boiled eggs. So first of all, I just put right from the bag, frozen, into the pot. Add a little bit of water, just a little bit, to soften it up. Not too much. I don't want much because it's already frozen and it has to thaw anyway. So there's going to be ice and more water if you put too much water. Just a little bit to just steam it up. That's all. And to this I add some seasoning. Not too much. This is what I'm using. This one. Got it from Walmart. So I cover this to a boil and I'm just checking it out. It looks very beautiful. Just give it a little stir. Cooked. I'm going to add a little bit of oil. Just a little bit. A few tablespoons. Give it a good stir. It's tender and nice. Yeah, so it looks good to me. I'm going to throw it in my spaghetti. As I'm doing all this, my eggs are boiling. I'm going to put them on the side. I'm going to throw them in, peel them up nicely and put them together. Give this guy a good stir as well. Make sure that it's nice and even with the vegetables. Like this. Very simple. You know, and it's good to taste for. Test for taste, or how do I say it? Check for taste. Yep, you gotta taste it. If it's okay. If not, you can add more seasoning to your taste. Okay, so it's nice and ready. As you can see. Beautiful. This is going to go with baked chicken, and that's all. You can add anything you want. This is just vegetarian, but if you want, wow, it's good. So we're all done. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. I'd love to hear your comments. Wonderful people. And God bless you all. This is the egg. That's my chicken I'm gonna bake very soon. God bless you all. Bye bye.